And we can see right now is our 2 production line for the 4mm CDU printing machine. Right now the body structure already finished, and we also assembled the plate for the casting pillar stands and the gearbox transmission. And you can see the plate. We all do the milling on the surface to ensure the high precision. And here is the spare parts like the shaft, casting pillar, the plate, and other workpiece for this machine. And here are the shaft leveling roller, and here are the rollers of them. And over there is the CU printing machine, multiple U printing machine, which combined the 2 double head decoller. They are welding, they are assembled them. We can see here is the spare parts like here, and here is the choke chain, which for this 3 production line, we all use the Japan brand, which is the #1, almost the #1 brand in the global market. And we can check this machine. You can see all the surface, we all do the milling. This is your production line, and here are the rollers, which need to be assembled to connect with the casting pillar stands. This is the double head decoller, which can rotate 360 degrees in order to save the time loading the material, loading the coil. And this is the punching die for the multiple U production line. And here are the 5 single machine for the roof, also for our American customer. This is the economic line. So here is the general view of our this working area, assembly area. We welded them. And here you can see it's our decoller frame. And now our worker is doing the cantilever milling. Here we can see it's our working process. And here is the working piece to build up to the machine. And we can see the journey machine to journey the hole. We will make a point here, and it will go into the journey machine. We can see how they work. we will process the shaft and the roller here. And here is some workpiece after drawer, you can see. And over there, it's our saw machine. We will cut the tube and the pipe and the plate by this saw machine. And there is our storage area. We just store the tube, pipe over there, and we can check the machine running. Now it's cutting the solid rectangle tube. So here is our working process area. Next, I will show you our export area. What we can see right now is our export area. We can see the machines which has been exported. And here is our 5mm CDU production line, already finished.